Now to start off with our 99 Nights in the Forest surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to line up the corners and give it a nice fold right down the middle. So it kind of looks like a birthday card. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time and give it another nice fold. Now, when I open it up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for a fun surprise. Now, to start off with this, let's begin with the deer, and we're going to begin with like the top of the nose. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm just going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve up and then down like this. Then right here, I'm going to make like a little oval shape for the nose, and then I'm just going to go ahead and color that in with my marker. Next, starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of come down and then up here. Next, we want to make the eyes. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve around in like an oval shape. Then we'll make another one here. We're just going to kind of curve around in an oval shape to here. Next, I'm going to make another big oval shape for the pupil, and then we'll do one more over here. Next, starting here, let's make a sad face to connect the head. And then we're just going to make a line that's going to come down here, and a line that's going to come down here. And then we'll just kind of go down to here, and down to here. Now, for the antlers, I'm just going to make a line that's going to come out, and then I'm going to make a little point. Then I'll make another point out here, and another one here. Then I'm going to bring this line back. Over here, we'll make a line that comes out with a point, and I'll make another one here. And I'll make another point that's going to come here too. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out and then in. And then same thing here. We're going to come out and then in. We're going to make a line that does kind of the same thing right inside of each one here. Then, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to come down, and a line that's going to come down here. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now, when I open this up, we have two halves of our deer. So let's begin with the top half. I'm going to begin by drawing this line down, and then I'm going to draw this line down. Then I'm going to bring this line up, and I'm going to bring this line up. Next, I'm going to start right here by making a line that's just going to kind of curve up and down. Then I'm going to bring this line down and this line down. Then we're going to make a little line that's just going to kind of curve around here. Next, we're going to make some Roblox characters in here. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to kind of go down and then up. Then we're going to make this line come down and up, and another one for some hair. I'm going to curl this line around, and we're going to bring this up to here for the head. Bring this line up with a little point, and then we'll make a couple more little points on here and bring it down. We'll make a little half circle for the ear. Then I'm going to make two ovals that I color in. And we're going to make an eyebrow going down on each one. I'll make a line that's going to curve down, and then we're going to come back here. We'll do a little line here for the teeth, and one over here. I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of come down, over, and then up. We'll do a little line for like the neck. I'm going to do a line that's going to come down here for part of the jacket. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to go down and up here. We'll come down and draw that same shape. We'll curl this line around for a thumb, and we'll bring this line around. Next, I'm going to make this line come up and down, and then up and down again and connect it. Then we'll just make like a rounded shape here. We'll make this line come down and over. Then we'll just make a line that's going to come down, and a line here, and then one here. Now over here we're going to make another Roblox character. So I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to curve here, and then one that's going to curve here. Make a line that goes down, and then one that's going to go down and then over. Let's curl this line down, and let's bring this line to here for the hair. Let's make a line that's just going to kind of come down and up for the neck. Then we're going to make a line that's going to go down at an angle and up. We're going to make that curve for a thumb, and then we're just going to curl this line around. Then we're going to go down and up here. We'll make a little line across for the sleeve. We'll make a line that's going to come up and down here. And then we'll make a line that's going to come down here for the other arm. We're going to go down, over, and then up for the body. And then 1, 2, and then a third line for the legs. I want to make a little curved line here, and then a little line here. We'll make 2 lines down for the eyebrows. We'll make a line that's just going to curl around here for the mouth, with a little line here for the teeth. Next, we're just going to connect these 2 parts of the mouth, and we'll connect these 2 parts. We'll bring this up and this up, and this up and this up. Then I'm going to bring this line down and connect it to here. I'll do that same thing. Bring this line down and connect it to here. Next, last one thing we want to do is we want to make the arms. So I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of go down and up here, and then down and up here. I'm going to curve this down into a long finger. I'll make one here, and then one more here. Do that same thing, kind of curl this down into a long finger. One here, and one here. Then we're going to make a little curve here for a thumb, little one for the thumb. Then we're going to go down and up, and then down and up here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a 99 Nights in the Forest surprise fold. We have it all folded up. We have the deer. And then when we open it, we have some Roblox characters running away from him. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.